Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on August 17, 2022, 2-star Sudoku. Column B, on third row, we have pair numbers 3 and 9. So 3 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column C, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Second grade, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Fourth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 5, 8. It will come in one of the 3 cells. We will confirm later. Second row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Second grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column H, column J, and second row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column F, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column E, column F, we have pair numbers 2 and 9. So 2 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. 8th row, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 8th row and 10th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column E, we have 1 and 8. So 1 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. 5th row and 6th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column G, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 5, 8. 5th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column E, we have 1 and 8. So 1 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. 6th row, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column G, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. 10th row, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 8th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Column E, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 6, 7. It will come in one of the 3 cells. We will confirm later. Seventh row, column I, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column I, column J, we have 4. 9th row also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 5th row and 6th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 5th row and 7th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Fifth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 7, 8. Column D, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then only two numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Sixth row, two numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. At column C, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Fourth grade, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then column E, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Seventh row, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. Column H, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Eighth row, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. Column B, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column D, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 6. 10th row, we have 1 and 6. So 1 and 6 can't come the cell. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. 10th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 4, 7. 9th grade, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Seventh grade, we already have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then only two numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. Column B, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column I, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. Second row, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Ninth grade, two numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. Column H, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Ninth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 6, 5. Column C, we have 6 and 5. So 6 and 5 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the two cells. Column D, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Then column D, only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Column C, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Column B, two numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. Second row, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. And then 8 is here. Third row, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. Column H, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Second row, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. Column J, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.